Yes, I beg to mention item 6, my lord. I have taken the consent, my lord. Mr. K.P. Bhattacharya, my lord.
Yes, when do you want it?
I have informed, my lord.
When do you want it?
2 weeks.
6 have the request, wait on behalf of the petitioner, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, 9, and 10, Your Lordship.
These are all connected matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
8, 9 and 10.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yes,
No. This also have the request of the petitioner, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Deeply.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 12.
Item 12.
Yes.
Yes.
The similar matter is still pending in the division bench.
Lordship,
After
no
3
objection.
weeks?
Lordship.
3 weeks?
Lordship.
Okay. Yes. 12. Have the request made by the parties, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, item number 13.
Item 13.
Yes.
Yes.
Similar matter is pending, Your Lordship, in the division bench.
1-3. Item 1-3.
1-3, yes. After 3.
This is also saying those POXO.
Yes, yes.
This also will come under. After
That same issue which is pending
3
for
weeks.
division.
3 weeks.
Here also, with the joint request, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
My lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
You're making a mention on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes. Lordship.
Who's the other side?
7. I'm for the private respondent in this.
Who is for the state here?
Mr. KP.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time. Lordship.
7. Or same or? Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged. I'm sorry, my lord. I made a mistake. Actually, my item is 14. Right.
This is something you should
Say-
be careful with.
Same thing, yes. 1. Related to the same.
13. Just remember, instead of 13, that will be 14. Yes. 13, then there is no order. Yes.
Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, as a similar matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Honorable Supreme Court. What is the issue here, madam?
It's regarding the
It's a quashing of FIR and the
That POXO case.
POXO case which is pending
Is
before
it
division
not
bench.
that the question is now covered by the judgment rendered in that West Bengal case?
The Supreme Court matter is still pending, Lordship.
What
There's-
about that this thing finding of the apex court in that West Bengal matter? Which judgment has come just maybe 10 days back and all.
Then I'll have to
Just verify that.
Yes.
Probably I think some
because
answer.
the matter which is mentioned in the order before the division bench, that matter before Supreme Court will be listed on 2nd of September, which has been specifically
I think
mentioned.
there
in
are a number of matters on that issue. And this also then will come after 3 weeks. This also at the joint request maybe the parties list after 3 weeks. Yes.
by Your Lordship.
the
Supplementary process, item number 1. Daily cause list, item number 1.
Yes.
Lordship, pursuant to the last order, we have taken steps on the complainant, Lordship. Quashing of an FIR.
Yes, the notice has been served. Not yet been returned. Then what is to be done?
We'll ascertain the status of service, Lordship.
Okay. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that those steps for service of notice upon the response number 2 was taken, comma. No service report has come till date. The Land Council shall verify the status of service of notice upon the said respondent and file a service affidavit before the next date. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Nobody is appealing for the state also.
State,
Oh, yes.
ma'am is.
I'm appealing for the state.
Yes, record of it.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Your Lordship, in item 2 and 3, I appear for respondent number 6 and 7. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship, to file my affidavit.
Status respondent number 1, Lordship, we are not filing.
I think that has already been recorded.
Already
Yes,
recorded.
Lordship.
Just record the appearance of everybody. Then you say Mr. P. Nambi, Land Council, appearing on behalf of response number 6 and 7. Prays for grant of some more time for filing a counter affidavit in the matter. Prayer alert, list after 2 weeks. That will be final.
You'll be fine.
List after 2 weeks.
Lordship, in item number 3, in item number 3, I need further 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder to the affidavit filed by respondent number 5.
Item 3. Let us
Yes.
let it be called quickly. We are in a hurry.
No, that's just.
Here also same prayer on behalf of 6 and 7.
You have not filed the affidavit.
Not yet, Lordship.
Same submission from us, Lordship.
And then who filed the affidavit? Okay, that has it been? Oh, so that you have already taken time for
Yes,
filing.
only one more time. I need further 2 weeks time, Lordship, for rejoinder.
The petitioner, Mr. So-and-so, Land Council, let me for the petitioner. Please for further time for filing rejoinder to the counter affidavit filed with the response number 5. Stop. Mr. Nangmi, Land Council for the response number 6 or 7. Also, please for grant of further time for filing a counter affidavit in the matter. This is a prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
All right.
Hearing, item number 4.
This is prayers made are allowed.
My lord, on the last order, the state has stated that certain amount of compensation has been paid to some people, and they need to bring the record of the payment.
Yes.
Lord, here, Lord, today on.
See,
behalf
actually,
of-
there was nothing in the case, but
Right.
then it is only your submission. Which change the situation.
So, my Lord, here I am today. I am praying for time, my Lord, because Mr. Hazarika is handling the matter. He has requested me to, my Lord, to seek time before this honorable court today. my Lord.
See, Mr. Bhattacharya, one thing at least, please bear it in mind. This is a 2016 matter.
My Lord.
And this sort of instruction, I don't think there's any difficulty in getting it. It was the last time it was the submission of the state
My Lord.
that certain people were paid. Just give us the details. Why
Yes.
these things? Though that the same thing district council had refuted, that they said no, there is no acquisition proceeding, there is no requirement.
Lord, he requires some more
Perhaps
time.
there is a report by the district council also, I think.
So, Lord,
The affidavit of the state, it was not reflected on submission of
That is what see, like this court also was surprised with that. But then once it comes from the mouth of the counsel before the court, then it has priority over any other thing.
State's affidavit also was on the similar line that
Yes. So we'll give them some more time. So and so present on behalf of the petitioner, Mr. K.P. Bhattacharya, learned GA. Praise for grant of some more time on the ground that Mr. H. Hajarika and learned GA is representing the respondent. Responding the respondent number 1, 2, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 4 and 5. That is what I think correct. That is what is reflected here. What is it, Mr. H. Hajarika? Has some personal difficulty. Yes, sir. We are allowed. On this chapter. 2 weeks, my lord. Tell him to please obtain it, sir. These are small things, you know. If they have paid to somebody, then they should pay something. Them also.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the previous order, the order before the previous order, we are supposed to produce the record, Lordship. We have received the entire record.
Yes. Now, the record was only for the purpose of
Lordship,
establishing what?
he says that some document was not considered. So
your contention was that those documents were considered.
yes, what had happened, Lordship, is that this is the third or fourth time the matter has come before the court. Some of these documents and issues and all were considered before in the earlier round of litigation. Thereafter, on remand, it was decided as per the direction of the court to hear the parties and decided on the basis of the record, and that was so done, Lordship. So we have got the records of the earlier adjudication as well as the on remand, Lordship.
Now, see, do we have to go through this entire thing? What was required for you is to project before the court that the contention which the petitioner has raised before this court with regard to non-appreciation of certain things and non-consideration of certain documents. That was done. That is what is required to be issued.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, the document. Yes.
That was raised by this honorable court, but
The initial submission was that no issue was furnished.
that has been
And subsequently, we found that there exists some order which says that issues were raised. Now then, this contention shifted to
record.
the other
Some
aspect that
other
some
report was
certain
lost.
documents
Yes.
were not considered.
Not considered.
Lordship.
Now, that is what we want to see, that those documents.
Those document, yes. I have very specifically, Lordship. Number one, yes, Lordship, the issue were not framed, evidence was not taken. Then, secondly, I said that whatever document that I produced and placed before the learned court of EM were never considered. That was the
Just show us those parts.
His application is, if I may pray, Lordship, kindly give me 1 day's time. I'll just classify it and Lordship.
because the document which I have reflected, I am not claiming for all the document.
What he is saying.
No, it's okay. It's
Yes,
okay.
the specific document.
We got the gist of your submission.
Yes.
Yes, you want to say that issues were not framed, evidence was not
Yes.
recorded, and there
and
are
the document.
the documentary evidence also were not considered.
Not considered because
Now,
yes,
just let him verify the record.
yes.
Okay, it seems very nice. We do not have to.
Yes.
See, you cannot. This court cannot.
That's
go
why
into
for
let him
his,
only just go through this and phlegma the relevant part,
yes,
and we will peruse it,
yes.
and we will have it tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Saturday, reminders.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Monday. Monday. I'm sorry.
We cannot have a special session.
Monday.
Can we do it by judicial order?
It's a holiday, my lord. We don't want to. Some other day.
So because whatever of documents he submitted is part of his application only. So I'll just flag mark it.
So we'll have it on Tuesday or something like that.
Lordship.
Or when which day?
Second, I think it's okay, Monday.
Second Monday. All right, no problem. We just said the request made by Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the district council. Okay, you just think it is submitted by Mr. Deb, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, 3. That the related record has been received by him. However, some time is needed to go through the same stuff. Accordingly, this is matter. On, just give Monday's thing. Give a date. And if that be the thing, if that is there, then we will not unnecessary. If the issue is so small, why to take so much time?
Sir, since the record has come, your court honor to understood, and your lordship desired that to be flagged.
You are the private respondent here.
I'm the private. But what happened? In fact, at the time of hearing, earlier second round when it came to the High Court, they also considered on the basis of the record they will dispose of. And those were discussed in the EM insurance order elaborately. They considered that they do not have any record to produce. In the order itself reflects.
Is it? Anyway, then you point it out. You point it out. Yes, but then since the record has come, we have called for the record. It is our duty to go through the record. So let Mr. Deb do the thing. Just mark the relevant part.
Earlier round of litigation, when they decided EM insurance, those were all fake out of the record. Those are all fake. NAF was not original.
If that be the thing, then we will reject his case. And then if you are wrong, then we will allow his case.
I have the
because whatever the place is documented, of course, it is there, but they are saying that those things were not.
So you know what is there in the record.
Yes.
So there was no need for us to call for the record.
Yes.
He submitted along with his application. It was duly considered.
Only thing is that in the order they. But then, only thing is that lordship.
There may not be a specific finding that so and so document is.
They saying that there was issue was framed, evidence was recorded. That was their contention. That said, it is only on in the order. They have reflected issue frame, then evidence taken. But in reality, those things were not there. If the issue is framed, if the evidence is recorded, where is there the statement?
Is it? So
those things were not there. That's why on the day of my submission,
that order was not based on any materials.
No, it is just a saying.
So
nothing to
definitely that will be.
Yes, they cannot substantiate. The order is something else, but how can they cannot substantiate the order? They only say that this is done, this is done, this is done. But
so this is totally improper exercise of jurisdiction.
Yes, that's why.
Then definitely.
And private respondent have 3 separate acting map, 2 duplicate, 1 original. But the petitioner has got only 1 since from 1930. Yes.
Why 2 duplicate?
I will show it is there in the petition in the record. How can the one
original and second one is duplicate?
Yes, they have 3.
Third one is triplicate. You see, it is
2 map is duplicate. 1 is the only 1 original, but the petitioner has got only 1 map original since from the inception time immemorial till now. We have only 1 map original. That is.
See, Mr. Sangma.
Yes.
At least be conscious of one thing. So far as the merit of the claim is concerned,
yes,
it will be very difficult to determine a jurisdiction. Now we are exercising jurisdiction of judicial review. Our scope is very limited.
Yes, Lordship.
Very akin to a revisional court. Now there we will be confined with the process which has been adopted, and whether there is an adherence to the principle of natural justice or not.
Yes.
Okay. And this is like the procedure which has been adopted. Now if you say that there is an order which says only that issue issue was framed, but then as a matter of fact it is not been framed, then definitely you may make out a case. You just
yes, Lordship. I tried to satisfy on that. This one.
But then have you raised all those pleas in your?
Yes. I have all the document, whatever I'm receiving.
There is a specific averment.
Yes. I said there is no framing issue.
So they get the opportunity to reply. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. Monday.
Item 11.
Much less, Lordship.
Yes, what is this?
This is Lordship, Madam. This is an application under 482, Madam. Partially acquired
Yes.
Not at length on the last occasion, Malad. This is a case, Malad.
When it was submitted?
Well, I think by time has.
Court is a very short time. You may have to again.
Malad.
Refer to my court.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, in this matter, I am appearing for respondent number 7.
Okay. Yes.
My Lord, if my Lordship permits me, may I place, my Lord, some points, my Lord, pertaining to this case, my Lord?
No, but then before the petitioner places his case.
Yes, yes, my Lord,
No,
my
but then
Lordship,
is
my
it
Lord.
is it something
I'm sorry, my
restrict
Lord.
at the root of the proceeding?
My Lord, actually, this petition, my Lord, two aspects, my Lord, which needs to be brought before this honorable court is first aspect, my Lord, that this particular petition itself is, my Lord, defective. Because, my Lord, if my Lordship may kindly see the respondents, the Office of the Public Prosecutor is not a party, my Lord, in this case. This is a criminal petition, my Lord, 482, seeking quashment of
These
FIR.
are all hyper technical points, may not be very much
My
relevant.
Lordship.
One state is a
And my
party,
Lord,
that is all right. Okay.
and my Lord, in this matter, my Lord, charge sheet has been submitted.
Yes, that I place it before Lordship.
Let the petitioner submit.
But then the Supreme Court says,
my Lordship,
filing of charge sheet is no bar for the court to consider the petition.
question of FIR, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lordship, my Lord. So let the petitioner submit, my Lord. I'll submit it. Obligement.
Then, my Lord, the Lordship may come to the straight away to the FIR, my Lord.
Yes.
At page 23. Starts from page 24, my Lord.
Is it not possible for the parties to appear physically? This is something online.
Online is a bit difficult.
Very distracting. Sometimes the sound goes down, goes up, and then
physical mode is the best.
Mr. Das, when you can be here in physical for physical appearance? It is not possible for you to be here.
Yes, my Lordship. My Lord, I'll try and come, my Lord.
My Lord.
And Mr. Das is also from Guwahati.
My Lord, I know.
I can come, my
On
Lord.
the previous section, Mr. Paske appeared for respondent number 7. So
yes,
there was
if
surprise
you
for me
have
also.
a coordination and if you make yourself physically present on one day, that would be convenient for the court.
My Lord.
You see, otherwise, you see, like, if you have difficulty, then definitely.
No, I'm always here, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Das, will it be possible for you to this thing?
Yeah, yes, my Lordship. My Lordship.
Dr. Mojika, you'll have any problem with this? You see, this court is not very, though it's a part of this, it's not very comfortable. Sometimes, you see, the sound goes up, it comes down, causes a very.
Yes, my Lord.
The concentration gets detracted. And this court gets very irritated very fast. And that is a problem. Maybe
my
a
Lordship.
issue. So, whatever it is.
Well, on the last occasion, if I may, my Lord, Your Lordship has instructed us to get a certificate. It relates to the FIR where, my Lord, there's a natural disaster in the compound of the respondent number 7.
Achha,
that one. And
yes, you are a contractor.
Yes, well, a contractor. Yes. After because of the rainfall, because there was a report that there was a rainfall, and Your Lordship wanted to know that even after filing of the FIR, whether I was allowed to continue to work. Because I've worked under the supervision of the CPWD, and Your Lordship has instructed us to get a certificate whether I was allowed to continue even after filing of the.
No, completion certificate rather.
Yes,
whether completion
yes, whether the work as part of it has been closed.
The query of the court was with regard to the police, whether they allowed, to proceed, allowed you to proceed
yes,
with the work, even after the filing of the FIR.
That's what we have also issued a certificate, my Lord. I have also given the certificate.
But then can it be, Mr. Dr. Mojika, you are appearing for?
1, 2, and 3.
Then what is who is you here? He is your contractor.
He is my contractor.
So then, what role you have here? You are supporting or opposing the case?
I'm that way neutral, I'm neither supporting nor
opposing. So you may not be that vital. The state is the main.
One aspect you Lordship would kindly appreciate.
Yes.
This is more than 4 years now when the FIR is filed. Today, what is the ground situation? The natural disaster can happen anytime.
Exactly.
now the roads are flooded, building collapsed. These things are.
Yes, yes, yes. These are everyday news nowadays.
So what happened in 2020? Today we are in 2024 August. I think the ground reality will be very much relevant. Whether still any cause of action survives for that FIR.
Exactly, you are correct that way. Whether there exists any threat to life and property at this stage or not.
Or if everything has been rectified, the complainant is living happily, they have completed the work happily. I don't think any purpose you serve their continuity.
So he is supporting a case.
That's why I've made a party because I have.
That's why you made a party.
I'm working.
Fair admission, you see.
I'm not supporting that one.
No, he's being neutral.
Only to point out, my
See, your submission.
Because momentarily, maybe at that point of time, there was a cause of action for filing an FIR.
Doctor, you should not, you see, like, so far as your role is concerned, you are neither here nor there. And if you try to place before the court the actual, real and actual fact, it will never be considered that you are supporting somebody or not. You are just disclosing the correct situation. Okay. Now, the submission of the Land Council is that you have made a party for that.
Because I work under
no,
them,
that is all right. It's a go to on
and
the
the bills have also been released, my lord.
It goes on a lighter note, Mr.
My lord,
seriously.
In fact, in one of the
State is objecting.
One of the pleadings why I am relevant here, my lord, in the petition I read somewhere that in the FIR CPW has not been made party. That is one of the pleadings.
No, that is his ground, you see.
So
it doesn't mean that he has a grievance against you.
But the moment
you see, he being a contractor, you are seeing that he is functioning under your authority. So, principal has to be responsible for the act of his agent. That goes by that. So, that is a defect. It doesn't mean that he should be dragged here. At least this court will not pass any order for that. So, you are not in danger that way. That becomes, you see, like to add, you see, like more to his case. That is why he is saying that. To point out a lacuna.
I'm okay.
Well, that was the purpose.
My humble submission, Lordship will kindly whether the remand still remains.
State has any serious objection in this matter?
My lord, I
see,
cannot.
Apparently, you see, there is no criminal intention. Whatever you say.
What
we
is
do
there
not know
in the
whether
charge sheet?
mens rea is essential for establishing this kind of case or not. We do not know that. That you have to enlighten the court. But then apparently it seems there is no criminal intention there. Something accidental. And once you allow him to proceed with the work, and he goes on and completes the work, what remains? Which way you can say that this is a criminal action? Now, if at all anyone is aggrieved, go file a case for compensation damages. That is what. And you have your submission. You are free to make your submission.
Yes, I'll make because I cannot go beyond the records, Lordship. What is
you have objection in this matter,
Lordship? I'll go by the records, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. If my lord, after perusing the charge sheet, if my lord considers that there is no prima facie case is made out, then my lord can pass necessary order.
The police initially filed a FIR.
Yes.
Then
under the circumstances, may I pray, my lord? I'll personally come and my lord, I'll place my submissions also.
Mr. Das, provided counsel for the petitioner also agrees to your thing and all. You see, like if you have reached to a consensus, at least to that thing, that you will be present on a day, this court will not have this thing. This court will definitely.
In that circumstances,
I would have come with him. I was not informed because Mr. Paske was paying for us.
We'll come together next time, my lord. He is also
the client will not like it if we come together.
Dr. Mojika will not have any difficulty. You will be here only. Mr. Sheikh also is here, so there will be no problem.
No, any day.
So when can it be convenient for you?
Subject to lordship convenient any day. If it's convenient for lordship.
Yes.
And also.
This court is
next month any date, my lord. Next month any date, my lord.
No, my lord.
Next month.
Next week, my lord. Because already charges.
Next week.
I'll be
11, sir. 11th, my lord. 11.
12 Lordship. Even 11, I will be out of station, Lordship.
12, my lord. Subject to my London senior also.
12. Except 11.
12. This court will be available there.
Then
maybe there is a
after 15, my lord, any date, my lord, if possible. After 15, any date, my lord.
See, Mr. Smith, my lord, there may be
5th of.
This court also may not be here for few days, maybe 1-2 days.
My lord.
depends on the program,
Hello.
in the middle
Hello.
of this. So as suggested by Mr. Das, if it is, can be after 15th,
Hello. 16.
Any day.
It is Vishwakarma Puja on that day.
Hmm?
17, 16.
16th or 17th? What? Which day?
I'll leave it up to my learned friend, Mr. Das. But before 20.
They will, I think, declare. Later on, they might declare.
Anyway, then you agree upon a
20,
date.
20 is Friday, 20 if it is all right.
28
20.
problem is that
It's
the matter is
getting-
fixed
that is
and
longer
program
for-
on the 20th.
probably he is worried by the filing of the charge sheet and
My lord, I have already summoned, my lord, the case is fixed on 20th, my lord, the GR case, my lord.
19 then, 19. 19 Pariva.
see, this
19.
court also, if it is fixed on 20th,
The 17, I think my learned friend can come.
we make it 17th, Mr.
17.
My lord.
My lord.
7.
Yes. For the joint request of the parties, this matter on 17th. Give a date.
7.
Learning request is more concerned with the go down coming out next to our house.
17. 17, my lord.
Nothing more.
17. Highly obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.